think she's had a lot of practice.
Made possible by you. Previously on Sailing Aquarius, we get into most dangerous waters in the world and...
Alright, come on guy. You gotta get in here because you just cannot stay out.
Get some new friends. Since last time we arrived to Admiral Marina in Port Dickson, we did some provisioning and had some fun celebrating Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is a main building. That's where we went for a party. They have a lot of pools up there. Super busy pools. So many people. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So I think we're all ready to go. We're leaving Port Dickson.
Admiral Marina.
And we had a great time here, celebrated Christmas. So what's next?
Next is Vancouver.
Oh no, I've got to change my shirt.
No need.
We got the superstars, our best friends in all of Malaysia.
No, your best friends in all of Port Dickson.
Port Dickson.
Yes.
In front of us, another 150 nautical miles journey that we think should take us about 24 hours, and all this way through Malacca Strait.
All right.
Are we out of shallows?
No, it's still 3.7 meters here. As soon as it stops beeping, that means we're over 5 meters. Right now, we're in pretty shallow waters, and I think it goes for another 500 or 600 yards. We just found out we get 5 days free in Pancor Marina, so we're heading up to Pancor Marina.
How did we get so lucky?
Oh, because we bought into the Malaysia rally, but we didn't even do anything with the Malaysia rally because we took off to the United States and stayed in the United States for a while.
Did you have a lot of fun in this marina?
Well, watch the Christmas tape and you'll see how much fun we had. Us right here, and we're going to come in the Malacca Strait and head up that way. So this is what it looks like going in the Malacca Strait. You can see all those boats out there and more on the way. And you can see them on the chart. You see all these boats and then more coming up. Let's look down a little bit farther. Even more boats. But the Malacca Strait is probably the busiest place we've ever seen. And that includes Singapore. Singapore was just nutty how many boats they had going up and down. See that tug over there? It is towing. And you can tell that it's towing something by the little cap on there. See that little thing right there? That tells you it's towing. And he's towing that barge right behind him. So that guy is actually dropping his net. And they're gonna back up right into the channel. So if you think that you can be right next to the channel and be free of it, you can't. Because they're backing right up into it.
The traffic and action around us kept us pretty busy, and soon the night came over.
Threw off a bunch of trash off their boat. Yeah, this looks like trash that some boat just threw over. Empty bottles. Man, this is the worst I've ever seen in my life.
In In the beginning, we were really shocked seeing so much trash in the water, and then it got even worse, and then we got stuck in a pitch dark, full of trash, and at the maximum 2,500 RPMs, we were able to move only 2 knots. In all honesty, we did not consider an option getting in this pitch dark and very dirty water at night. But we did all we could to get rid of what was dragging us. We backed up at maximum speed and freed up our prop. We think it was abandoned fishing net drifting in this pile of trash. That was no fun at all. As the night continued, we were still having some interesting things happening, like this red weird mark on OpenCPN. We had no clue what that means, and we just kept going and going. So this is by far the dirtiest waters we've ever seen, ever. And at night there were places so terrible. In the beginning we were thinking that a ship threw away some of the stuff because it was only plastic bottles and all kinds of boxes. But seeing this now, I'm not sure. So these are logs, and one log like that took off our two in front of us. So one kind of log already took our Ecopilot, the forward-looking sonar. So it was pricey and very inconvenient fix. So sad. Look at all this. All over. All over. I'm not exactly sure what it is or how it works, but it is some kind of a fishing device.
Fishing boat, and they're coming right at us. I hope they turn away at the last minute, because I think...
Sailing vessel Aquarius, sailing vessel Aquarius, this is Star Clipper.
Hello Star Clipper, this is Aquarius.
Yes, I'm under the sails. Could you alter your course to the starboard side?
I'm keeping an eye on you, so don't worry, we'll miss you.
CPA for now is 0.2.
Roger that. I'm gonna come by you and maybe get some good pictures of you.
Okay, copy that. Have a good watch.
Thank you, Star Clipper. You have a good day. I think you're way too close to that boat.
Uh-oh. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. Film it? Fishing nets everywhere. How's that for some far out looking fishing boats?
In Marina. That's affirmative. We are coming in Marina in 20 minutes.
Okay, Aquarius
Number 2, busiest starboard side.
And there's both sides. We are going to be backing in. You can see it's very hairy in here. We draw 2-7. That's 1-7. Well, I mean 2-1. That's 1-7. But it's 3-7. It had to be dug out. We're following the same path as the tour boats or the ferries that go across. But we're going really slow just to make sure. Uh-oh, it's coming up. 3-2. It's just a little scary.
So now it's 7-7. We found a good place to go. No more beeping.
Now we just have to make sure that we get inside the marina without hitting something.
And we did just that.
Aquarius.
That day we took it slow to recoup after night watches and went to walk in the marina area. We saw this chiropractor working just right there on a street basically. And it was so funny because during the night sleep in the cockpit, I think I slept in the wrong position and my hip was hurting. And I told Ken that I really would like to see a chiropractor. And since he was right here, I checked the reviews on his page and I decided to go for it. Well, that was an interesting experience. Instead of massage, a chiropractor. I do not really suggest to do that for everyone because it actually might be quite dangerous, but it really worked out for us. My hip did stop hurting and Ken enjoyed that experience as well. I was told that this guy was walking on a crutches for a year after his trauma, and the chiropractor was able to fix him in 30 minutes. And I did ask the other people before getting on a table myself if they liked what the work was done on them, and all of them said, yeah, it feels really good. So, pretty good. Next morning, we had some errands to run and we needed to go to the shopping mall, which is about 10 minutes ride with a Grab, a local app which is very similar to Uber, and the rides are really cheap, about $3 to $5 for a 10 to 15 minutes ride. We also get a better idea how the locals live.
Can you see me? Hello in there. Are you ready to go party? Let's do it.
Now look at you. Ooh.
The goal is to get rid of all of these before the night's over. My wife says she's overdressed.
For
So
Bodhi's party.
yeah, so now she wants to go to a Muslim party like this.
What's wrong?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, maybe red lipstick is not the best. But everything else is good.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year! If you win, all right, you can have whatever necklace you want. How about that?
Alright, teruskan lagi bersama kami Abu Boy nantikan kedatangan tahun 2020. Oke, mana-mana yang
think she's had a lot of practice. All right, which one do you want?
All right. We'll go for. Come on, this one. We had a competition.
Huh? Oh, this one?
Beautiful.
Oh, that's the nicest one. Thank you.
Can I take a photo with you?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yang tu ambil gambar.
Oh, me between two girls.
Nice. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I feel like I'm missing something.
You have beer.
I have a beer.
You have a GoPro.
Got a GoPro.
You have a wife.
I do?
No, it doesn't count. Do you have wallet?
Yeah.
Okay, that's all.
Okay. Go over there.
You can go there.
Let's go over here.
I'm Isabel.
Lisa.
Lisa, nice to meet you.
Sid, as in Sydney.
Sid,
Sid.
nice to meet you, Sid.
Ken,
Ken and
Isabel.
Isabel.
you're gonna take my anchor from me. Oh no.
Well, at least not from the boat. Not the rock.
That was our spare anchor for the boat.
That's her.
Oh no, don't say that.
Oh, it's such a good swimmer. We don't need an anchor.
Yes. Thank you. Woo! Happy New Year. Oh, you got the sun right behind you.
Next on Sailing Aquarius. So, we have a problem that we never had before.
Stranded.
If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.